Hello, Tejas.
Hi,
Welcome to the IT Rockstar show by TryCatch Classes.
hi, sir. Good evening.
Good
Thank
evening, Tejas. I'm so glad to take your interview today because I know how much you have struggled and how much you have practiced to reach this stage in your life today.
Yes, sir.
So,
Thank you, sir, for welcoming me.
so Tejas, I'm now going to ask you a few questions.
Okay.
So, are you ready to begin?
Yes, sir. Start.
All right, Tejas. So, tell me, what were you struggling with before you came to TryCatch?
Okay. It's very long story, and it started from my village. Okay. I'm not from Mumbai. I'm from a village. After my education means after completing my bachelor's, there was a due to corona, there was a gap of 1 year. So I was not practicing anything of coding or anything. Um, So there is a no scope of IT in my village. So there was only one option: either go to Mumbai or Pune. To so I was searching for it, and there were no relatives in Mumbai, and neither in Pune. But I decided that Mumbai is a good option. To let's go on Mumbai, and there was a gap of 1 year, no relatives, and there was no reference who can guide me to what to do after completing IT. But there was one friend who suggested me to join TryCatch Institute. His name was Sandesh. So after completing the TryCatch, he got a job in due to it. So I decided to complete the course. So I decided to complete Flutter course. So I moved on to Mumbai. There was no relative in Mumbai. So means there was my neighborhood who were staying in Mumbai. So they just saw me and they told me just come here, let's try for 1 month, 2 months. So I decided okay, let's go with them. So I went there. I had only contact of Mule sir. So in after coming in Mumbai, there was only one person I was knowing. It was Mule sir. So I contacted him and said my problem. I have completed my graduation, but I don't have any reference. Actually, I tried for the interview also 4 to 5 times, but actually they were not scheduling my interview just because my college was not good enough. Means I was not from Mumbai, so they were just looking at my location, looking at my college, and they were just rejecting it. So they were also not scheduling my interview. So I just asked for him for the help and decided to join the Core Java and Flutter course. So he suggested me very nicely, and after that, in 1 month, I completed my actually course Java course was of 2 month, but in 1 and 1.5 month, I thought that I can clear core Java. Means I started studying, and sir were also very nice to me. So I requested Mule sir that I have some financial issue. I am not staying with my family. I'm staying with not also they are also my relatives. They are only my neighbors. I'm staying with neighbors. Can you sir please schedule my interview so that at least I don't matter of at least I can overcome my income expense. That was my plan. So I requested Mule sir, and he just saw my means asked a few questions about Java. Can you do it? I said yes, I can do it. So just he scheduled my interview in Technopoint company, and just there was the turning point where I got the job. And I'm not saying that I got settled, but though trace, though was having some trace, it was released. So that was my starting where I got the job, and then I continued my Flutter also with that.
Wonderful. So,
Uh,
can you please tell our audience again which course you learned and what is your job role currently?
Okay, I completed my Core Java course and Flutter course. But after completing Core Java, I got job in Technopoint company as a backend developer in Spring Boot technology. So currently, I'm working in IDFC project in Technopoint, and I'm using a Spring Boot technology, which is currently a trending technology in backend development. So I'm glad that I got this. I'm also a lucky person to got this chance, and it's really glad.
Absolutely. I'm
Yes.
so glad that you are now a Java developer.
So,
So, Tejas, can you tell us how was the experience with TryCatch and what happened after TryCatch?
okay. Actually, I don't know about others, but TryCatch was really a good opportunity me. There was no friends as I came alone here. Only there was one family, 4 members in there. I was knowing them only. But I started coming here, then I met few friends here. So the staff member who were working here, so they are my now good friends. So they are my first friend, and Mule sir as well, and Monish sir you all as well. So for me it's really a emotional connection with them, not only as a developer, or as a student, but I am also connected as a friends. I mean, they are my first friend, so it's really a wonderful experience with me. They are also friendly. Means when you are when you are out of a city and someone is, they are not, they are including you as a part of their family. They are not ignoring you, if they are not keeping you away. They just never remind me about my family, or they never remind me about my old friends. I just thought that I'm in my family. So environment is really good. Friends are really nice, and we just get connected. As everybody has a our IT developer, our mentality get connected. As everybody is trying to do achieve one thing, that they want to achieve this. They want to be a developer. So everyone target is clear. So it's really nice environment here.
Exactly. That was so wonderful to hear, Tejas. Thank you.
Yes,
So, Tejas, what is the scope for you in the future as a Java developer? And what package are you looking to get after 6 months?
6 month. Okay. Actually, sir, if you are talent, you get offer. Means I'm not telling something else, but in my company, I have done the bond. Mean it was my decision whether to do a bond or not. But I thought that this is my first year, so first 2 years, so I thought to doing a bond and not switching the company immediately. But when I did the bond, in class I got reference. Means there was a sir who was teaching, he's teaching up, he's also teaching now, so he gave me a offer with IBM company. So he's working in IBM company, and he got to know about me, that I know good about code Java. I teach, means, I also guide others about code Java. So he came to me and just offered me that there is an opening in our company. I am going to take the interview. Can you please come? But I felt unlucky that time, that I did the bond. So I said, sir, sorry, sir. Means there is no option. I have done the bond, and I will complete my bond, and I will let you know if I can join after 2 years. Uh, I'm expecting after 6 months. I can get 60,000 monthly. Okay, 60 to 70,000 monthly. I'm expecting that, but you, it's about luck. If you are lucky enough to win, you will get.
Yes, yes, yes. Wonderful, Tejas. So tell me, how was the teaching methodology? Any comments about the teaching methodology of TryCatch?
The best, sir, I have taught us is Kunal sir. He's teaching Flutter. It's not about his teaching method, but also about his speaking, how he speaks, how maturely explain everything. In IT, it's not only about coding. It's also about how to behave, how to talk with your sir, how to talk with your senior, junior. Everything matters there. If you have knowledge, it's great. But if you have good personality, that's what I have learned from Kunal sir. So Kunal sir is a role model for me. I'm just following him. You can say that. Means how much he works hard. It means he's doing job and taking also weekend lecture. Means he is not taking any gap. I'm not, means he is doing well. Still he is not satisfied. He's still trying to do great things, and that's what makes us, to work hard. That's what makes us to inspire more. We are still young. We have that energy to do work, means work hard and everything. And Kunal sir is the inspiration to us, who teaches us how to do work, how to work hard.
Absolutely.
So Kunal sir is best. I think Kunal sir is my inspiration.
Thank you. Thank you, Tejas. And last question, Tejas. So if somebody is making a decision to join TryCatch, what would you say to them?
Okay, if someone is making decision to join TryCatch, okay, many students comes to me. मतलब I have also referred many students who want to come TryCatch. Okay, I prefer them just follow what Mehul sir says. Means is
If
just
someone is stuck, if someone is on the
it was the CPI. So it was a total come. So he what did he did? He just hided it, and taking the TriCatch Institute courses to the top level, and taking what is a negative point, take it down. What is positive, just highlight it. And also about my colleges, he just hide my location so that nobody will come to know that I am from out of the Mumbai. So that was the main point. And yes, the sir here is guiding us. He's an experienced sir, so he's guiding us properly. So if we want a guidance, then I think I will suggest everyone to join the TryCatch Institute. For me, it was a really I am lucky that I just joined the TryCatch Institute, and means everything the opportunity. Yes, I have worked hard. I'm not saying that I'm not. I did not think. I have worked out, but I want to see TryCatch growing. And yes, TryCatch is doing wonderful things. There are many students who are getting selected after completing TryCatch Institute. Means they are getting proper guidance. And yes, if they have some issue, yes, Bill sir are there, Monish sir are there, just contact him. They will resolve it. Everyone is helping either. Means I never found someone who is talking rudely. I never found someone who is not helping us. I'm from Flutter, but if I even ask uh, go and ask about HTML, CSS to others, sir, he will also guide me. So that's the best thing, that all the developers comes here together and everyone guides here properly. And I'm also getting a reference from here to everyone knowing me as a good developer. He can do a good coding. So I'm getting the reference. So we are getting connected. That's the best part. That every senior sir, experienced sir, they are getting connected to us, and they are getting to know that who is a good developer. So that when they are recruiting a developer, they can just give our suggestion. They can refer us. That's the best thing about TryCatch Institute.
Wow, thankful things you
Thank you,
said
sir.
about us, and we
Yes,
hope you
sir.
just grow and grow in your career. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Will go. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.